Hello students, we discuss topic instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor and unit. We discuss today various decrement instruction in 8085 microprocessor. Step by step, firstly we discuss instruction DCR R. Whenever this type of instruction is execute, what happen? The content of general purpose register specified within instruction is decremented by 1, and that decremented result also stored into same register defined in instruction. Addressing mode for this instruction is register. Length for this instruction is 1 byte, and group for this instruction is arithmetical except carry flag. All flags are affected. That means carry does not be set or reset. That is, it is used as don't care flag. See here one example. B is equal to, I will be taken 87H. Before execution value of B is 87H, and whenever I execute instruction DCR B, then value of B is decremented by 1. It is 87H. How it is? See practically. What I can take here, value of B is 87H. Then I execute this program. Then see here, the value of B is 87H, and then after execution DCR B instruction, the value of B is decremented by 1, and result is stored in same register pair. That is, in before execution B is equal to 87H, and by DCR B value of B is decremented by 1. Here we see here B is equal to 87H, and flags are affected except carry. All flags are affected, such as sign is equal to 1, Z is equal to 0, auxiliary carry is equal to 1, parity is equal to 0, and carry is not affected. Then after discussion of DCR R instruction, the next instruction is DCR M. Whenever this type of instruction is execute, what happen? The content of M register, that is memory register, which is addressed by HL, is decremented by 1, and that decremented result stored into M register, and which is addressed by HL. Addressing mode for this instruction is register indirect, because one operand in instruction is M register, so that its addressing mode is register indirect. Length for this instruction is 1 byte. Group for this instruction is arithmetical, and except carry flag, all flags are affected. That is, carry does not be affected by this instruction, but remaining flags are affected by this instruction. See example. I take the value of M 8FH. Before execution value of M is 8FH, and whenever I execute instruction such like DCR M, then value of M is 8EH. How it is? See practically. MVI M, value of M is here. I will be take here value of M is 8FH. Value of M is 8FH. Then I execute this program. Look here, value of M we will be seen here 8FH. Whenever I execute instruction DCR M, then content of M is decremented by 1. That is, it is decremented by 1. That is, we seen that value of yum is 8EH. Here I will be explain here. And after execution of this instruction, see here, the flags are affected except carry, all flags are affected, such like S is equal to 1, Z is equal to 0, auxiliary carry flag is equal to 1, and parity is equal to 1. After discussion of this instruction, the next instruction we are seen that DCX RP, that is whenever this type of instruction is executed, then what happen, the content of register pair, that is register pair address given in instruction, that address is decremented by 1, and that decremented address is separately stored in separate register pair. That is whenever I give register pair BC, then the address of BC is decremented by 1, that is it is decremented separately, that is B and C, so that it addressing mode is register. Length for this instruction is 1 byte. Group for this instruction is arithmetical, and it is important thing that after execution of this instruction, no flags are affected, that is all flags are remains unchanged, that is they are they are resetted, that is that value is 0. Here we take example such like this, BC is equal to 8F99H, then before execution value of B is 8FH and value of C is 99H and BC address is 8F99H. But execution of this instruction DCXB, what happen, the address of BC register pair, that is BC address is used in instruction, so that BC address is decremented by 1, and after execution we get the value of B is 8FH and value of C is 98H. How it is? See practically. What is value of BC pair? That is I initialized a BC such as 8F99H. Then I execute this instruction. See here, I initialize a BC address 8F99H and execute this instruction. After execution, B is 8FH and C is equal to 99H. Then I execute instruction DCXB. Then what happened? The value, the address of BC is decremented by 1. That is separately address is stored in registers, that two combination of register, that is after execution this instruction. See here, B is equal to 8FH, C is equal to 98H, and there is no flags are affected. Thus we discussed today three type of decrement instruction: DCR-R, DCR-M, and DCX register pair, that is RP. The DCR-R instruction decrement content of register by 1, DCR-M decrement content of M by 1, and DCX is decrement the address of register pair by 1. And we will be stop here. In next video we will be meet. Thank you for watching this video.